Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on how to turn on or off location on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, locate and open the settings on your smartphone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to find and tap on apps. In the app settings, depending on your phone model, you'll either see a list of all installed apps or need to tap on Manage Apps to access them. Once you're on the installed apps, scroll through until you find Snapchat and tap on it. Then, within the App Info section, find and tap on Permissions. Now, in the Permissions section, find and tap on Location. If you want to turn on the location on Snapchat, select Allow all the time. Alternatively, you can choose Allow only while using the app. You can also choose Ask every time to be prompted each time you open Snapchat, or Don't allow if you want to turn off the location. And that's it! You successfully turned on or off location on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.